A 0.5% gain is projected for Chainlink tomorrow, according to CoinPrice forecast. Let's start things off with a brief look at today's market behavior. Chainlink has shown a 1% rise in the past 24 hours and is hovering near $9.40. Here come 5 views from analysts. CoinDataFlow projects the price may weaken to $9.39 by tomorrow. That's a decrease of 0.1%. 30 Rates foresees Chainlink heading for $9.41, roughly 0.1% more than the current price. According to CoinCodex, it could test $9.42, an increase of about 0.2%. A different outlook from CoinPrice forecast indicates Chainlink might move higher toward $9.45, roughly 0.5% higher. And in closing, digital CoinPrice highlights a rise to $9.47 by tomorrow with a 0.7% gain. This is the most profitable forecast reviewed. You've heard 5 predictions. Let's go further. We've reviewed the expert opinions. Now let's see the details. Based on the combined forecasts from all analysts, the price could range between a decrease of 0.1% and a gain of 0.7%, depending on the analyst. The numbers make it clear that digital CoinPrice predicts the highest return with 0.7% gain in value by tomorrow. In short, you could see a return of between $1 and $7 for every $1,000 you invest. When focusing on probabilities, CoinDataFlow has the strongest forecast, carrying an 89.3% chance of success. Looking at the full set of 5 forecasts, I've worked out a combined scenario. Based on consensus, Chainlink is likely to remain flat around $9.43. Let's get into the specifics. According to the consensus, the price could rise by 0.3% by tomorrow. That translates into your capital growing by approximately 0.3% too. With 1,000, the numbers suggest a possible $3 more. The consensus scenario carries a likelihood of approximately 88.3% of coming true. Next, let's see how analysts expect the market to perform over the 3 days. CoinDataFlow expects the price to slump further. 30 Rates notes that Chainlink may continue to trade sideways, suggesting investors should not expect big moves during this horizon. CoinCodex notes bearish momentum building up. CoinPrice forecast sees the chart tilted toward growth. Digital CoinPrice indicates the chart will remain balanced. Taking the full range of views into account, the consensus shows Chainlink holding steady without a clear directional trend. All in all, most analysts are leaning bearish on Chainlink in this horizon. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago. Today, we review their accuracy. Ultimately, yesterday's candle ended at $9.38. The majority of analysts turned out correct about the direction. Strongest accuracy was shown by CoinPrice forecast. Now let's break things down step by step. Just one outlook proved consistent with the daily span. As far as ROI is concerned, several analysts delivered profits, led by digital CoinPrice at 1.4%. Here's a quick summary table, a clear snapshot of forecast performance. The table includes cryptonization with 60.8% forecast probability, $0.47 accuracy, and minus 1.4% ROI. Study the table for a moment and see who performs strongest. Now you'll see how tomorrow's potential gains look for Chainlink compared with other assets. Chainlink doesn't lead in this forecast as Arbitrum stands highest with 0.9%. This is just a preview with 5 cryptocurrencies, and the extended comparison of potential returns among many assets will also be added to my website and Telegram shortly. That's a wrap for now. If you found this valuable or time-saving, don't forget to give it a like. Have a good one.